Hi guys, welcome back to another episode, and today I have put together something very interesting for you guys. I really had fun creating these jars. I'm sure you would have fun recreating these jars. So I wanted to make salad in a jar recipe. This recipe is very easy and convenient, and if you are lazy like me, then definitely this video is for you. So let's get started. For our first recipe, you need tight container jar. Make sure it's tight so that your salad will stay at least 3 to 4 days in your refrigerator, and whatever vegetables you like to add in your salad. There are no such rules, only the thing you need to add your salad dressing in the bottom and then your hard vegetable first and then the softer one, because if you add your light vegetables below after the dressing, you gonna end up having a soggy salad. So let's start combining everything. For this first recipe, I'm using my homemade salad dressing which I made on my previous video. I will give the link down below. For my second salad in a jar recipe, I'm using proteins like chicken and egg. Here in this video, I am making only 2 jars because I am traveling tomorrow, but you can make 4 or 5 for your whole week and put it in your refrigerator, and they can last easily for 3 to 4 days. Only you need to just tight the lid, very tight the lid, so that it will not get soggy. So let me know if you want to see more recipes like this. I would love to make it for you all. It's a very easy and convenient recipe for everyone. You can easily make it at home. Whatever you have in your hand, just be creative with your jars. And yeah, let me know if you have fun, and please subscribe to my channel if you like it for more updates. Thank you.